Okay, thank you. Good morning to all of you present in the session. We are starting your session today, continuing your session today from our yesterday's session. Yesterday we had discussed the deletion in your B tree. Only two more elements to be discussed, and thus we are completing each and every possibility of deletion in your B tree. Okay, so that is what we are going to see, and later on we are going to see what is your B plus tree and insertion in B plus tree. All right, so with that we are going to complete your tree, unit number 3, tree portion. Okay, graph is left. Your sorting techniques, that is unit number 4, it is going parallel in your laboratories. Okay, so in theory portion in the class, after we complete graph, only one unit will be remaining, that is hashing and collisions. Okay, so we are going to start. See, I told you guys to at least just have a look, okay, at this particular till here, till I mean till 77, or at least from 70 to 77 deletion, you should be knowing. Okay, so I'll take green pen this time, fine, just to differentiate. Okay, now see, today what we are going to do, we are going to delete this 80. All right, that is my target now. Now see, just for your revision, there can be two cases in your B tree. Okay, the target key, that means the element which you need to delete, is the leaf node. Okay, तो leaf node के लिए अलग से उसके rules है. Leaf node you are going to check. Let me just open that image for you. Okay, leaf node, leaf node, you are going to check that where is the target key, I mean the leaf node which is containing the target key, is it having more than minimum number of keys? If it is, if it is so, then you can directly, just simply go and delete. You don't have to do any split or any merging, nothing to be done. Simple, the simplest case in deletion, just go and delete. Okay, okay. If the target key is in the leaf node, but the leaf node is containing minimum number of keys, okay, so you cannot directly go and delete. In that case, you have to look for another three options. What are those three options? Option number 1, either you can borrow from your immediate left sibling, including your parent node, okay, and then delete. All right, or you can borrow from your right sibling through your parent node and then go for the deletion. But in the either of the case, you cannot do that. Okay, you cannot borrow from left, you cannot borrow from right, because both of them are containing minimum number of keys. So in this case, what you will do, with the help of the parent node, by intervening your parent, okay, you are going to merge either left side, that means the left subtree, or you are going to merge with the right subtree. Okay, so this is what we have seen in your case number 1, when target key is in the leaf node. All right, okay, now my target key is in the internal node, that means somewhere in the parent node. All right, so what if in that case, then again, when you identify that the key to be deleted is in the internal node, then again you are going to check for three options. You can select an in-order predecessor. Now, again, I told you the shortcut. What is the shortcut is that you don't have to go and, generate a full in-order first link and then go and identify who is the predecessor. Suppose 70. Okay, so 70 is here. All right, 70 is here. Then in-order predecessor will be the maximum element from its left subtree. Which is the left subtree? This one. Okay, and maximum element in this left subtree is what? 68. All right, so with the help of 68, what you are going to do, you are going to push this 68 up, and this 70 is going to be deleted. All right, so now 68 is in the parent node, Fine, 70 got deleted. Rest of the things remains the same. This is the left subtree for 68, and this 73 and 75 is the right subtree for 68. Okay, so that is one option. Okay, you don't have in order predecessor. Okay, you cannot take in order predecessor because there are, if you take that in order predecessor up, then that minimum value condition be not valid. Okay, so in that case, what you are going to see, you are going to see for in order successor. Okay, and how can you find in order successor? That is the minimum value from its right subtree. So suppose I am taking the example of deleting 95. Okay, where is 95? Here on the right subtree. Okay, now see the condition. I cannot select my in order predecessor. Why? Because left subtree is having only 2 nodes, which is my minimum required value. Okay, so I look for right subtree successor. Now 100 is the smallest value. Okay, so 100 will go up, as you can see here, that what we have discussed. Okay, so 100 is going to go up, you delete 95, so in place of 95 you are placing 100. All right, rest of the things remains the same. Why? Because 92 and 93 are less than 100, 110 and 111 is greater than 100. Okay, so that's why in order successor. Now we are taking a case like 77. See, 77 is here. Okay, now we are taking a case where you cannot select a number from left subtree also, and you cannot take a number from right subtree. Why? Because both of them are having the minimum values. Okay, so you cannot push any element up in the parent node. Fine. So in this case, you are going to merge the nodes and delete your target key. Okay. So merging can be, like you have to bring this 77 down. You need to bring this because we are going to intervene your parent, not because we want to delete this 77, but this merging is going to happen with the help of the parent node, and 77 is the parent. So what you are going to do, you are going to bring this 77 down. Okay, and you will arrange both the elements. You are going to arrange these elements, these all, let me draw a triangle here. Okay, all these elements, fine, you are going to arrange them in ascending order. All right, once they are arranged in ascending order, you will delete this 77, which is my target key. Okay, and this 73, 75, 78 and 79 will be now one node. Okay, part of one node. Got it till here? This was revision. Okay, I hope it is recalled by each and every one of you who has attended the sessions. For those who are new to it, this was first time for you. For those who already had attended, this was the revision. Till here we have seen, we have discussed. Okay. Now what we want to do, now we want to delete 80. Okay, 80 today. So where is 80? If I can just do one thing, wait. Because I guess this is a bit messy. So just let me try one thing. Okay. Fine. This is 80, 10, 50, 68, 10, 50, and let me write new one only. Fine. I have 10, 50, and 68, right? 4, 5, 6. 14, 15, 16, 27. 51, 52, 60. Okay, and here I have 73, 75, 78, and 79. It's me. Here okay, this side on the right subtree I have 90 and 100. So 90, let me write here. Okay, 81, 82, 89. So 81, 82, 89. Okay, 92 and 93. There goes 92 and 93. And at the end I have 110 and 111. Okay, this is the tree. I guess it is easier to visualize. Fine. I'm not joining the arrows and all. Okay, but just visualize this part, this whole part, as the as the left subtree. Okay, and this part is the right subtree. Now, what I want to delete, I want to delete this 80. All right. So, what are my options here? The option is, first option is, I select the in order predecessor. Okay, can I select in order predecessor? Yes, I can select. Why? Because the in order predecessor, okay, is having more than number of minimum elements. And which is the in order predecessor here? Students, which is the in order predecessor? In order predecessor, Smriti, 10 is wrong. 68, correct. Right, Tushar. Absolutely right, Raj. 68. See, again I'm saying, remember, if you want to know who is the in-order predecessor for a given number, then it is the maximum element from the left subtree. Okay, so maximum element in the left subtree is what? 68. So I can replace this 68 in place of 80. So 80 I will delete and I will 68 here. Okay, after removing it from this left subtree. Okay, now see, 68 right subtree consisted of this portion. Okay, 73, 75, 78, and 79. All right, this was the right subtree. Now what about it? I cannot place it on the left side, right? I cannot place it on the left side. So what I need to do is, I need to arrange that in such a manner, that it goes on the right side here. Okay, you guys with me? Okay, only two yes, I suppose. Okay. Now can anyone think of how can I make this right side, I mean this 73, 75, 78 edges on the right side? Can anybody think of?
हाँ है ना. This is my current. वो अभी इसके वो तो देगा ना तेरे वो भाई वो तो आपके चैट में होगा.
Can anyone tell me how can we adjust this particular subtree? Okay, if you want to look at like this, I can also split my screen. $68 को ऊपर तो ले लिया यहाँ पे, ठीक है, लेकिन ये 73, 75, 78, 79 उसको राइट में कैसे एडजस्ट करेंगे? Anyone, just think of. Come on. You know the rules. You know the pattern. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ चलो. And kindly speak up, okay? Somehow my network went from the second screen, so मैं आपकी chat नहीं देख पाऊंगी. I'm trying to connect from it again. So meanwhile, just speak up. Come on, come on.
Maybe we can send 79 in place of 68 and we can interchange it and we bring it to the clip note.
Okay. That is one of the option.
The successor will be the 79 maximum value of the node.
All right. This thing shows me that all 37, I guess, 37 people in the meeting, you are not paying attention to what I'm saying. Think why. I'll give you 1 minute to think over why. I have around 38 I can see, so 3 of them are me, so 35 people. I'll one step here. And I'll redo again it for you, okay, just to show you where exactly you guys are missing out. किसी को क्लिक हुआ?
68 already deleted है.
नहीं.
तो
तुषार आपने ऑलरेडी उसका जवाब दे दिया है, लेकिन आपको पता नहीं है कि आपने जवाब दे दिया है. What about others? Only Tushar is, I guess, in the total wake up stage. बाकी के सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Still no good morning? कि फिर मैं पूछूं randomly. हम लोग इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर को चूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? स्मृति ने मेरे को जवाब दिया कि 10 इज एन इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर, तो मैंने क्या बोला कि गलत है. इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर वो नंबर होता है जो कि आपके राइट सब ट्री में सबसे मिनिमम है, ठीक है? सॉरी
Left,
दैट आई
left.
लेफ्ट सब ट्री में सबसे मैक्सिमम है, ठीक है, ठीक है। तो मुझे क्या आंसर्स मिले? 68। Is 68 the maximum element in my entire left subtree? मेरे एंटायर लेफ्ट सब ट्री में 68 ही ऐसा एक है जो कि सबसे मैक्स है। मेरा लेफ्ट सब ट्री ये है। देखो मैं वापस से अंडू करती हूँ, ठीक है। ये अभी हमने 80 को डिलीट नहीं किया, ये पूरा मेरा लेफ्ट सब ट्री है। 68 is the maximum element.
Ma'am, 79 is maximum.
Exactly.
No, ma'am.
तुषार, you already gave the answer in the alternative. ठीक है, लेकिन वो अल्टरनेटिव नहीं है,
हम तो बोला ही
वही सही आंसर है। एंड यू गाइस टोल्ड
तो
मी
बोला ही
दैट
था वही होगा।
all of you little bit of more attention. I'm not saying you guys are not paying attention. Little bit of more attention when I say the maximum element in the left subtree, okay, then you have to tell me that it is 79, not 68, because 80 again is the root node. अगर सिर्फ यहां से हमको ये चीज करनी होती, if it was an internal parent node, then case would have been different. ठीक है, but this is root node. So in the case of root node, this entire portion consists of its left subtree and this entire portion consists of its right subtree. ठीक है, तो ऐसे नहीं देखना है कि बस उसके नीचे के लेवल के एलिमेंट्स को देख, नहीं, आपका यहाँ पे हम रूट नोड की बात कर रहे हैं। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर रूट नोड, सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मैक्सिमम दिस एंटायर its left subtree. So right one is 79. हमें 68 को तो छूना तक नहीं है। Okay, so 79 will get replaced. यहाँ से ये 79 हट जाएगा because we checked that if we remove 79, do I satisfy the property of my B tree? Yes, there are 3 elements, so it is more than required minimum number of elements. Okay, तो यहाँ पे 79 replaces your 80. Do we need any change now? No change. ठीक है, क्योंकि all the elements, okay, which are less than 79 are on the left side. All the elements which are greater than 79 are on the right side. Okay, so this 79 is your new root node. Got it? समझ आया? Or stuck anywhere with me, everyone? Yes or no? See, students, you should be, concentrating. Okay, always it is not, जो भी मैम कहे या तो जो भी आपके प्रोफेसर कहते हैं, always it is, they might think somewhere. All right, and this was a little bit of test just to get you awake. ठीक है, 68 मैंने हाँ तो बोल दी. I knew that 68 is not right because यहाँ पे तो 79 है. But I was waiting for someone to say that there is a 79. Why we are taking 68? But fine, no fault of anyone. Okay, just you have to see that you might have thought that you just have to consider this much. So if that is the thought, then change it. Okay, when we are talking with your root node, we have to see this entire left subtree. Okay, fine. So 80 is deleted. All right, this 80 is done. Now next is what? Your 100. Okay, now where is this 100? This 100 is in the internal node. Fine. Now this internal node, again, you cannot directly go and delete this 100. Fine, because again it is an internal, you have to follow these rules. So in order predecessor, can you take in order predecessor? No. Why? Because only two values. Okay. Can you take in order successor? No, because again only two values. So in that case, what you will do, you are going to, merge the nodes and delete the target value. Okay, you're going to merge the nodes and delete the target value. So if you merge it, so in that case, what you're going to do, you're going to bring this 100 down. Okay, because it is a parent node. So this 100 is down. So this 100 is here. Okay, within the series. All right. So this is one node now. Now can you delete 100? Yes, I can delete 100. So this 100 deleted. Okay, and this is the node. But now again there is a problem because 90 cannot be the only single value. Fine, 90 cannot be the only single value because it is an internal node. So again you will check, can I borrow from the left subtree? Yes, I can borrow. Why? Because they are having more than minimum number of elements. But again, this you cannot directly go and merge. What you need to do, you need to arrange all this. So first you'll arrange 10, 50, 68, 79 because it is the root node or say the parent of both of them. Okay, and 90. Select the median value. Who is the median here? 68. Okay, so here what you are going to do is you'll select 68. Let me just do the formatting. Okay, what you'll do is you'll select the median value out of the 68 is the median value. So now your new root is 68. Okay, on the left of 68, what do you have? You have 10 and 50. Okay, on the right of 68, what do you have? You have 79 and 90. Okay, now see these 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these are going to be unchanged. कुछ नहीं होगा उसमें, कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, इन तीन सब ट्रीज में कोई चेंज नहीं. दे आर एट देयर प्रॉपर प्लेसेस. Okay, 4, 5, 6 on the left, 14, 15, 16, 27 on the right of 10. Okay, left of 50 again 14, 15, 16, 27 और right में है 51, 52 and 60. Okay, no change there at all. Fine. तो अभी इसका क्या करें, इस सब ट्री का? ये तो बाकी रह गया ना, क्योंकि वो तो 68 के राइट में था. तो अभी ये 68 के राइट में था, तो दिस ट्री विल ऑल्सो राइट ऑफ 68. ठीक है, अभी राइट ऑफ 68, 73, 75, 78. ठीक है, राइट ऑफ 68 में सबसे पहली वैल्यू क्या है? 79 की. तो ये जो आपका सब ट्री है, ये जो सब ट्री है वो सारी वैल्यूज 79 से कम, they are less than 79, so they will be placed on the left of 79. Okay, on the right of 79, 81, 82 and 89. Okay, which is the left of 90, जो कि हमारी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई करता है. ठीक है, and on the right of 90 you will place this subtree. Okay, 93, 92, 93, 110 and 111. So this is your final tree. You see, root node में एक वैल्यू चलेगी. ठीक है, रूट नोड वन वैल्यू इज अलाउड, वन की वैल्यू इज अलाउड. बाकी के सारे नोड्स में, इंटरनल नोड्स जो है वहां पे मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज होनी चाहिए. सो देयर आर मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज. ओके, एंड दीज आर द लीफ नोड्स व्हिच आर एट गेम लेवल. सो आई एम satisfying all the properties of my B tree. Okay, so with this we have covered all the possible deletion cases. Any doubt, anybody? Okay. Others, I suppose it is clear. Okay. You can practice this same example on your own. You watch the video. Along with the video, you practice the same example. So you will know. I'm not saying that you will be able to evaluate the next some of the sums like this. Okay. For that, you need to practice to understand how this deletion flow is going in this entire process, because we almost took 3 lectures to complete all the possible division cases. Okay, I have, with just one example, I have covered all the possible deletion cases. All right, so you take it slowly. Fine, go watch the video again. Maybe you can decrease the speed also, fine, if you want, and then along with that videos, try solving it and keep these rules in front of you. Okay, suppose if you are practicing this in the internal node, then you can note down in this visual manner. Okay, these are the nothing but your rules, that if you get the target key in internal node, then solution 1, try in order predecessor. Okay, it's not working, fine. Then solution 2, in order successor. Okay, that conditions are not true. Okay, that minimum, I mean, it means you cannot borrow it, or you cannot push your element up because of the minimum key value rule. Okay, so just go and take, I mean, merge the nodes with the help of parent node. So that is your option number 3. Fine. So this is how you can keep. So these are the rules in front of your eyes, and practice this same sum. Okay. If you want the starting of it, then this is the starting. All right. And even in the PPT also, which is uploaded, which is already uploaded, all right, in your portals. So this is the starting of, or say the very starting of this whole example. Okay. So you can take this tree, all right, write this information. So you will get to know that how many subtrees, minimum subtrees it can have, how many maximum subtrees it can have, okay, how many maximum keys it can have, and how many minimum keys it can have. All right, and you can start, this is the series, the deletion series. Fine. So with this, we are completing your B tree. We are moving to your B plus tree. Okay, now see, the B plus tree is nothing but, you know, similar to your B trees, but little bit of change. The change is the leaf nodes. The leaf nodes are connected with each other. Okay. Previously here, no leaf node is connected. See, you cannot see any arrows in the leaf nodes. Okay. In your B plus tree, there are, the difference is something like this. See, the leaf nodes are linked to each other. Okay. That is the difference. Now, if I want to go for B plus tree insertion, nothing, no change at all. Okay, splitting is also going to happen like that. Again, data which is on the left of root should be less. Data which is on the right of root, okay, should be equal to, or greater than the root. Okay. So see, now you have to start insert from the bottom level. Fine. Bottom level means you are going from downwards towards upwards. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है, आप पहले एक नोड बना रहे हो, ठीक है, मिनिमम की से ज्यादा हो गया, तो आपने स्प्लिट करके जो भी एक नोड है, मीडियन नोड है, उसको ऊपर भेज दिया, ठीक है, तो फिर से आप नोड इंसर्शन करोगे, फिर से वो कहीं पे अगर ऐसा केस हुआ कि वो पैरेंट नोड है और वहां पे भी मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कीज ज्यादा हो गई, तो फिर से स्प्लिट करोगे, एक ऊपर जाएगा, ठीक है, तो यू आर बिल्डिंग द, यू नो, ट्री फ्रॉम इट्स बॉटम लेवल. बॉटम लेवल मतलब लीफ नोड से आप बिल्ड हो, धीरे धीरे करके ऊपर रूट नोड तक पहुंच रहे हो. दैट इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड योर, you will know how we are doing that. Fine. So that is what the sentence is also telling you, that if leaf page, that means that leaf node overflows, then split the node and copy the middle element to the index page. Index page means आगे वाले, एक level ऊपर. लीफ नोड के एक लेवल ऊपर उसको पुश कर दो, ठीक है। ओके, अगर वो पेरेंट लेवल भी ओवरफ्लो हुआ तो वो पेरेंट लेवल का जो नोड है उसको भी स्प्लिट करके एक वापस से एक जो भी आपका मीडियन वैल्यू है उसको एक लेवल अप, इंडेक्स अप पुश करो, ठीक है। सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम बॉटम टूवर्ड्स अप। ओके, इसका एक एग्जांपल यहीं पे है एक्सेल में। I'll explain you this with an example and then we are done for today. Suppose मेरी given series है 1, 4, 7, 10, 17, 20, 31, 25, 19, 20, 28 and 42, ठीक है। ये मेरी गिवन सीरीज है और आई एम गिवन द डेटा दैट आई हैव टू टेक माय m इक्वल टू 4, ठीक है। तो मेरी की वैल्यूज क्या होगी? मैक्सिमम कीज आई कैन होल्ड इज व्हाट? एनीबॉडी? मैक्सिमम कीज कितनी रख सकती हूँ मैं? की डेटा पार्ट, क्विक।
3.
Exactly, correct, absolutely right. Formula is m minus 1, so 3. Okay, maximum. Minimum keys कितनी रख सकती हूँ? The correct. No. वो चिल्ड्रन हो गया, दैट इज सब ट्री। सही बोला, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम की बात कर रहे हैं। की फॉर्मूला थी फ्लोर वैल्यू, सॉरी नॉट फ्लोर वैल्यू, सीलिंग वैल्यू। I cannot draw that ceiling value sign. So ceiling value of m by 2 minus 1. Okay, so m by 2 क्या होगा? 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. तो एक नोड में मैं एक डेटा तो होना ही है, ये फिक्स हो गया, ठीक है। अभी मैक्सिमम चिल्ड्रन, दैट मीन्स मैक्सिमम सब ट्री कितने होने चाहिए? m, so that is equal to 4. And children, that means minimum number of sub tree. That what you guys said is right. Value of m by 2. Okay, so again ceiling value of m by 2. Okay, so that is 2. Fine. तो इससे क्या पता चला? That you can have at max 4 subtrees. Minimum there should be 2 subtrees. In those subtrees, the node should have at max 3 data values and minimum 1 data value. Alright, now start entering. You have to start with the first only. So again, I decide that, right? I got that in my one node I can maximum, I can include 3 values. Okay, so 1, 4 and 7, ठीक है। मेरा node is filled. अभी when I go and insert 10, then obviously 10 is not going to get inserted. Why? Because this node got full. So in this, what you are going to do? Again, you are going to arrange the existing node element and the element which you want to insert in ascending order. तो यहाँ पे 10 मैंने arrange किया, ठीक है। ये मैंने नोड में इंसर्ट नहीं किया, बस उसके एलिमेंट्स के साथ मैंने अरेंज कर दिया, मेंटेनिंग द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। फाइन, नाउ I am going to select the median value. Now see, median value can be, you know, because this is an even numbers, it can be 4, it can be 7. Okay, the choice is yours. You keep 4 or you want to keep 7. Suppose I take 7. Okay, so the split will occur from here. So what my rule says in my PPT, the rule says that if leaf page overflows, split it and copy the middle element to the next index page. Okay, so मैंने split कर दिया. ठीक है, तो अभी where is my 7? My 7 is now my parent node. Okay, with a node having 2 more values to accommodate some values. Okay, यहाँ पे इस side 1 or 4. Okay, and this side you will copy 7 as well as 10. अभी देखो यहाँ पे 7 मैंने फिर से क्यों कॉपी किया, बस आई एम जस्ट पुशिंग द इंडेक्स वैल्यू ऑफ 7. ठीक है, डेटा तो मेरा यहीं पे है. The difference between B tree and B plus tree is what? In B tree, you are shifting the entire data. Okay, but in this B plus tree, you are just going to shift the index. ठीक है, मतलब index you can understand this like that you are just pushing the image. Okay, actual data तो यहीं पे है नीचे. Why? Because again these data okay are interconnected with each other. तो ये जो दो नोड बन गए, so this connection is going to be there. Okay, here like this. So again this is the node which can accommodate one more element. Okay, this is the node which can accommodate one more element, and this is the index of 7. ठीक है, with me everybody till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Others? All right, now next in line is what? Next in line is 17. Now 17, can I place 17 here? Yes, I can place my 17 here. All right, I'm going to place 17. Next in line is what? 21. Okay, now see, can I place this 21 here? Can I place this 17 won't be, 17 will be here. Why? Because 7 is the index value. Okay, and on the right of 17 I am going to on the right of 7 I am going to place 17. Fine. Now can I place for the 21? Now 21 is greater than 7. Okay, but I don't have any space here on the right side. Fine. So where I'm going to place? Again I'm going to repeat the same process. 21 को यहाँ पे arrange किया. Fine, maintaining my ascending order. Now I'm going to split. All right, now if I split, then I can either take 17 or either I can take 10. But what you need to take care here is, in the previous step when we splitted between this 4 and 7, what we chose 7. Okay, so every time in the later splitting, okay, every time you are going to take the value, okay, which is in easier words corresponding to this 7. So यहाँ पे 7 है तो 10 और 17 में से हम लोग 7 choose करेंगे, ना कि 10 को. Okay, in technical words this is known as right dependent tree and left dependent tree, or you can say right heavy tree or left heavy tree. कैसे? अगर आपने यहाँ पे 4 सिलेक्ट किया होता, ठीक है, अगर आपने यहाँ पे 4 सिलेक्ट किया होता तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक वैल्यू होती ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, यहाँ पे 2 वैल्यूज होती. ठीक है, ओके. सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज लेफ्ट हैवी ट्री एंड दिस इज राइट हैवी ट्री. तो आगे जाके ऐसे नहीं करना है कि अभी इस बार आपने 10 ले लिया, ठीक है, 10 की इंडेक्स को यहाँ पे पुश कर दिया. नो, here then you are going to maintain that uniformity और आप 17 को पुश करोगे ऊपर. Fine. So this 17 gets pushed up. 17 की इंडेक्स वैल्यू, ठीक है, यहाँ से 17 हट गया और एक नया नोड नया with 17 and 21 as its values. Okay, so 17 and 21. ठीक है, और ये कनेक्शन मेड। फाइन। तो देखो, लेफ्ट ऑफ 7 1 4, राइट ऑफ 7 7 10, लेफ्ट ऑफ 17 7 10, राइट ऑफ 17 17 एंड 21। ठीक है, तो हम बी ट्री की प्रॉपर्टी भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं, बीएसटी की भी कर रहे हैं, एमवे की भी कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 31। 31 greater than 7, greater than 17. So right of 17, can I place 31? Yes, I do have a space, so 31 inserted easily. Okay, no split, nothing. Now 25. 25 greater than 7, greater than 17, so going on the right side. लेकिन यहाँ पे तो full हो गई node, so again I have to split. Now if I go and maintain the order, so it will be 71, 25 and 31. ठीक है, तो फिर से स्प्लिट करो। स्प्लिट किया तो ऑब्वियसली 25 की इंडेक्स ऊपर जाएगी, यहाँ पे जगह है मेरे पास। ठीक है, तो 25 की इंडेक्स वैल्यू ऊपर गई, यहाँ से स्प्लिट हो गया। तो यहाँ से एक और एक नोड बना एंड वैल्यू इज 25 एंड 31। ओके, एंड दिस कनेक्शन मेड। समझ आया? I hope everyone is getting. Okay, this is your indexed root. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है? 19। ठीक है, 25 के बाद क्या है? 19। 19 ग्रेटर देन 7, 19 ग्रेटर देन 17, बट 19 लेस देन 25। सो कहां पे जाएगा? इस वाले नोड में। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे इस वाले नोड में कैन यू एंटर 19? यस, यू कैन एंटर 19। ऑलराइट, सो 19 विल बी इजीली एडेड मेंटेनिंग योर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। तो 21 के जगह पे 19 और यहाँ पे 21। फाइन। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 20। ओके, अभी 20 क्या है? 20 ग्रेटर देन 7, ग्रेटर देन 17, लेस देन 25। ओके, तो यहाँ पे it is going to go to this node. Insertion will happen at this node, but this node is already full. So what again you are going to do? Arrange them 17, 19, 20, which is the target node, and 21. Okay, split कहाँ से होगा? 20 से होगा. So this is going to go up. तो 20 यहाँ पे आया, but it saw that this is also full. यहाँ पे भी तो full है, तो मैं क्या कर? So what it is going to do? Okay, it is going to split again this in this node, because that is what we discussed in the PPT, that if even index page is getting overflow, okay, then you split that page and move the middle element to the next index page. Okay, so you are going to do this. So first split happens here. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्प्लिट। तो पहला स्प्लिट अगर होता है तो एक नोड ये बन गया। ठीक है, 17 और 19। फाइन। दूसरा नोड ये बन गया 20 और 21। ठीक है, सो दैट इज योर फर्स्ट स्प्लिट व्हेन यू आर मूविंग योर 20 अप। फाइन, बट व्हेन यू मूव दिस 20 अप, you find that there is no space for 20. So there you are going to do what? You are going to split again. Okay, arranging them. So if you arrange, so here there will be 20 and here there is 25. So selecting 20 as an index value. So what will be the new tree looking like, or new index page? So 20. Okay, स्प्लिट हुआ तो 7 और 17। ठीक है, तो 7 और 17 ऑन द। ओके, यहाँ पे you are not going to write 20 again. you are going to write here 25. क्यों नहीं लिख रहे? Because 20 already यहाँ पे हमारे पास है, दो index values, यहाँ पे भी 20, यहाँ पे भी 20, दो index values लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Index values are fine if they are 1. So you are not going to write 20 here. यहाँ पे हमने 20 क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि वो data है, ठीक है? So this thing remain, I mean, this whole thing will be copied as it is. ओके ये दो स्प्लिट हुए हैं तो वो दो स्प्लिट को हम यहाँ पे अभी ऐड करेंगे. फाइन. सो सी ऑन द लेफ्ट 17 and 19, on the right of 20, on the right I have 20 and 21. Okay, but the thing is ये जो 17 और 19 है वो यहाँ पे 17 के साथ यहाँ पे चले जाएंगे on the left. Are you guys getting it or not? Because I feel like you're getting. Nobody is asking anything here. Everybody is pin drop silence. Students, yes or no? It's okay, you can be honest here. Just tell me till 25. Till 25, is it clear? Till node 25, is it clear? I mean, till this split. Let's say till here. यहाँ तक तो सबका क्लियर है ना? ठीक है. 19, 20, 28 and 42. I'll take it in the next session. Okay. I will revise this again. 19, 20, 28 or 42. I'll take it again. Why? Because there are two splits. Okay. From 20. From 20 there are two splits and you need to understand it. Okay. So 20, 28 and 42. 19 को भी हमने add कर दिया है यहाँ पे. Alright. So 20, 28 and 42. I'll take it in the next session. Fine. We are going to keep it till here. And once I finish this, we are over with your trees. Okay. For your reference, this PPT has been already uploaded. Okay. You can anytime download them and see whichever content you would feel to see like. All right. Thank you all for attending the session. For those students who have joined this session late, there are two instructions given to, I guess, the students who has sincerely joined the session within like 9:35 or 9:40. Kindly ask them what I have passed the message. It is regarding your submissions. Okay. I don't have to repeat it. I'm already I'm going overtime right now. So I'm not repeating it. In the next session, I'll repeat even if you don't get the information. But those 33 students, kindly pass the message to all those who are late in the session. Okay. Thank you all for attending the session. BD students 1 to 15, write your numbers, maintaining the serial order. Okay, D2D students AI. AI 1 to 10. 11 to 20. 21 to 30. 31 to 40. 40 to 40, 40 to 50. 51 to 60. 60 to 75.